Now, whenever you have a problem like this on your motorcycle and you're not particularly sure what is wrong, what you need to do is reverse engineer. So let's start off. Number one is the coolant. Yes, there's coolant. I changed the coolant, I put in new coolant. The next thing I'll have to check is my fan working. All right, because if it wasn't for the fan, then I'll probably have to check the thermostat. So I'm gonna go to the rear seat and then just check the fuses. If you guys know how thermostat works, you guys know what happens when a thermostat works. If you don't know how a thermostat works, then I'll just link it up. And then as you can see, I'm gonna check the fuses. Number 3, check the fuse over there, and I think that one is short, as you can see. So what I'll have to do, I'm just gonna contact Silverton Midas. Then they're gonna provide me with all the motorcycle spares that I need. And I'm just gonna swap it out for now because I do not have another fuse, and then put it on. As you can see, plug it in properly. There we go. Then I'm just gonna go to the front of the motorcycle and start it. And let's see. Now we have to start. Okay, let's wait to get up to temperature. Now it's up to temperature, and as you can see, the fan is working. So if it wasn't for the fuse, then I'll check everything else, and now we're all good. Thank you to Silverton Midas for providing me with all these parts. If there's any other motorcycle spares that you need, contact them. As you can see, it's blowing off, and that's how the motorcycle will cool down while standing still. Now, check next video. All I have to do, I have to buy another fuse, but I'm gonna go to Silverton Midas. I know they're going to provide me with another fuse, and as you can see, look at the blowing power from the fan, and it will cool your motorcycle down. So thank you to Silverton Midas.